For the next exercise, you need to remember the rules of the adjectives. So here, what we are going to do is, we have to replace the underlined words, the nouns, with the word in the bracket, and so when the noun changes, you remember the adjective also changes. That is depending on whether it is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. So shall we begin? So first, these three sentences. Julie est timide, mais Hugo est bavard. Now, the underlined word, the underlined noun is Julie. We have to replace it with Hugo. Hugo est timide. Now, this noun is feminine and this noun is masculine. So, this is the adjective here. Timid is the adjective. Now, this adjective is the same in the masculine and feminine form. So, it is written as it is. Now, the next part of the sentence, mais, we need to replace the underlined word with the word in the bracket. So, instead of Hugo, we write Julie. Mais Julie est, and the adjective here is bavard, and this noun is masculine. So, this is the masculine form. Now, we have changed it into a feminine noun. So, the feminine form of the adjective takes an E. So, now these are the adjectives in this sentence. The adjectives agree with the corresponding nouns. So, that is how we write the adjective. Now, the next sentence. Le professeur est intéressant. Now, we have to replace this with this. Now, both the nouns are the same. It's just the article that has changed, indicating that it is changed from the masculine to the feminine form. So, la professeur est, now the adjective. So, this was in the masculine form. So, this adjective is in the masculine form. Now, to change it to the feminine form, we add an E. So, this is how you write it. The next sentence, Maman est belle, mais papa est grand. So, now, here we need to replace Mama with Papa. So, Papa. Now, we can say this is feminine, this is masculine. So, the adjective is in the feminine form. Papa est. Now, what is the masculine form of this adjective? It is beau. Beau. Papa est beau. Mais. Now we have to replace the noun papa with mama. Mama est. Now this is the adjective. It is in the masculine form. We need to make it feminine. So we add an E. So now you may be wondering how to know which is the masculine and feminine form. So this comes by practice. Though most of the adjectives are changed from masculine to feminine by just adding E, there are some other adjectives that are different. For example, if the adjective ends in EUX, the feminine form takes EUSE. For example, take this adjective. It ends in EUX. So, when writing it in the feminine form, X is replaced with SE. So this is how we write. So there are many exceptions like this. This is just one. So there are many other exceptions. If you keep practicing, you will be able to write on your own masculine, feminine, singular and plural forms.